Check out Sim Cyst from Sim Vivo. This innovative trainer allows practitioners and students to hone their surgical skills by dissecting realistic cysts from self-retaining simulated fat. The exercise requires the coordinated use of forceps and scissors to spread and cut adherent tissues. Careful attention to maintaining the integrity of the cyst is required. Each training board features 2 cysts, enabling repetitive practice sessions. Additionally, Sim Cyst can be ordered as a comprehensive kit, including forceps and scissors, to equip users with all the necessary tools for an efficient learning experience. Successful excision can be a gratifying learning experience. But a minor slip along the way will result in a disastrous consequence that provides instant feedback to your surgical technique. Sim Cyst, elevating dissection skills to the next level. Sim Vivo, high fidelity, low cost.